Okay, we're back. So we got about a ½ inch of water above the carburetor there. And maybe a 1/4 inch. Why's the hammer handle back in there? You didn't take it
That's
out?
about as clean as she's going to get.
It ain't getting any cleaner. The wood's not liking it. I guess it got left in there. So I got 2 of the knives in there. I cleaned them. I got the 1 spoon I put in there and cleaned it. And I think everything else was... Oh, and you got that cover in there still. Okay, we're going to go to sweep. You guys are back again. Let's do a 4-minute sweep. We like 4-minute sweeps. Sweep. Temperature went down to 147 because we put hot water in there. Bubbles. What is that?
Oh, look at it coming out of the top of it.
Dirt coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out of the nose.
Oh yeah, you can see it. You can see that dirty water. Yeah, we definitely got to hold the throttle valve open to see that we're good for that.
Lets it go all the way through.
Yeah.
Definitely a better deal.
Let's see how it looks in our tools.
It's really clean and hot.
See how it works on clean tools. Wish that comes out looking different. What?
Stay down, you mangy mutt.
Packing me over there. He's packing me over there. 2.5 minutes. Packing me. Vicious animal. Yeah, that came out nice. Except the rust on the inside. You can see the Loctite on the thread, so it'll
Yeah, it didn't take all the lock. It does eat it, but it didn't get through all of it.
Yeah. Well, Loctite's soft, so here's what it is. So we're gonna match the quality of this.
I don't know. That one's fairly clean when we started.
Yeah, but this one's pretty nasty when we
This
started.
one was filthy. Did I read it? Impressive.
140. Theoretically, probably could dump it over the other way again, but let's see. It's rattling down there. Spoon?
Something down there rattling.
Knives. Well, the knives are down there. There's a knives and spoon down there.
Might be that.
And the
I
screwdriver.
didn't start doing it until we put the screwdriver in. Let's try the screwdriver.
The screwdriver doing it. What's going on down there? What do you got going down there, huh?
You gotta wipe it fast. This gets dry fast.
Well, that's 100. It's up to 150 again. Yeah, it's bad. Well, look, it's evaporating like crazy. We lost a lot of water. It's coming out. Definitely making a mess. 30 seconds to go. Probably see what size the carb is now.
What's that?
Probably see what size it is now. I also flipped it up the choke neckings in there to put in different locations.
Okay,
So
yep.
just to help clean whatever's in there. Okay. Look at that nasty screwdriver now. This looks new now. How does that look? That thing looks just like the other carbonator now. How's the inside? Still a little black in there?
A little bit, but
Compared to what it was.
I mean, it's really soft stuff.
Yeah, if we had a way of getting in there, it'd help.
Oh, I do have a way. This
Here,
little brush.
Lay it on a tool over here.
I want that brush there.
Smaller brush.
Turn the head the right way.
I'm holding it open. Okay, yeah, smaller brush.
Tension on it.
Yeah, and in there. Yeah, the screws look new. Linkages look new. Even though some of the brass is looking better. It's already dry anyway. It's dirty right in the center. This place is dirty.
And it wipes right off. It's so thin now.
Well, you need a real small brush that's got a little tension to it. A little bit of something to it. A little round brush.
I have one around here somewhere.
What about a toothbrush? You want a toothbrush laying around?
Might have a toothbrush.
That's all you need. It's a toothbrush.
I can use Joanne.
She won't care. She's not here. Can't argue if somebody's not here, right? Yeah, this thing looks new. That looks brand spanking new. Okay, here's that cover we're having a problem with. See, we scrubbed off a lot of that muck off, so it's still there, but it's getting a hell of a lot better than it was. That needs one more attempt at cleaning it. Oh, we're finally getting the pennies to look decent. Finally, it's starting to look better than they did. If I just hit them with a steel wool, they look a lot better. So this one was black. These have been in here for 30 minutes probably, cleaning. Where's that black one I had? There it is. See, that one used to look like that one. Just doesn't really work for tarnishes and copper and stuff like that. Silver's not too happy either until you clean it. So when you scrape on a little bit, see, it really cleans it up. You get the tarnish off, and then it'll make it super smooth after that. It still has some stuff on there a little bit. It's looking pretty good though. Just doesn't cut the tarnish. We need a different chemical mix to cut tarnish. Run my thumbnail across it. Everything's taken off.
These electric toothbrushes, I don't have any just regular toothbrushes anymore.
Here, wipe these down with a towel.
We can use Joanne's toothbrush.
Yeah, I told you, just go grab it. It's all right, it's fine.
Just don't tell her. She's like, why would toothbrush taste funny? I don't know. This came out a lot nicer, huh?
Yeah, you can want to look at it. We can tell. You like all that?
This thing? Come on, wipe it off. Come on.
Since I have a steel, well, you can still see it's got tarnish on it, but clean the steel.
Feels clean.
Yeah, still get the tarnish on it. You can see in it all the tarnish.
I mean, that's way cleaner than what it was.
If you just hit that with a buffer wheel or something like that, or just keep going steel wool and go back and forth and get all the tarnish off, the ultrasonic cleaner takes everything down to bare metal and
Right.
clean the pores out. But it's not enough just to take it off by itself. You have to do a little bit of work. It doesn't have that real smooth feel to it yet. You're getting the other stuff.
Feels pretty smooth right there, that one.
The rubber band's good. Clean out.
That carburetor's pretty clean now.
Whatever
just feels slick and clean.
You get it better?
It's already getting out of that.
Yeah, that's the same. So scrubbing the spoon and putting it back in didn't really do anything for us. It's the same. This is the one I did the second time. Looks the same as the first one. So this here, you gotta go in and get the muck off of it. Small corners. Go back in one more time.
I'd say this is
And you realize that all this crap that we're trying to get off this float bowl, if it's inside the passages, it doesn't clean it.
that varnish.
Yes, you still need a chemical cleaner to get in there and blow up, clean that stuff, to melt this stuff and get rid of it. Once you get most of it off, then you come in there with a cleaner and hit it again, and you should go get 99% of the crap off.
Yeah, if these things are full of varnish, it's not coming out of there without something else.
Do that one more time. How's that one looking?
Just clean, dude.
Flip it over to the other side, or same direction, or what?
Let's lay it on its side, put that screwdriver back in it, we'll run one more time like this, back side down. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Just for fun, I mean. That's about as clean as she's gonna get.
I'm gonna choke over that. Push it back about halfway this time.
Alright.
Try a different spot. Screwdriver got clean.
You want a knucklehead or something?
No. Screwdriver got clean.
Oh, don't we want that? Oh, no.
Or what?
No.
Let's put in there right now. That won't be right this minute. You've got everything in the box. Put anything else in the box over here? Got your extended float bowl piece. You want to put that in there real quick?
I did have it. I thought I had one of these.
Got your air cleaner brackets.
You need extended float bowl too, it's the way I ride my shovel.
Bunch of tarnished, nasty brackets here. Real rough, real dirty. That it?
We're about done there, that's all the carburetor stuff we got.
That's all the carburetor parts we got? More air bubbles?
We're good now. These clubs are valuable with this.
So, sweep again?
I like the sweep.
3 minutes on the sweep. All right, come back, a couple minutes, take a look at it.